Hi there, welcome to Asuka's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you an easy and quick recipe for comfort food Japanese curry. You can find Japanese curry roux at Japanese grocery stores and often in the Asian aisle at supermarkets. Today I'm using Kokumaro Tasty Curry, which is usually slightly cheaper than other brands. In this recipe, I'm using half a box which serves around 2 to 4 people. I will also share some time-saving hacks and secret ingredients in this video. I will start by making rice, so it will be ready when the curry is done cooking. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized chunks or cubes. Place the potato chunks in a bowl of cold water to prevent them from browning while you prepare the other ingredients. Cut the carrots into random shapes. It's called rangili in Japanese. 4 onions. Cutting along the fibers helps retain shape and texture. Good for dishes like stir fries and stew. I'm making chicken curry today, but you can use beef or pork as well. I want to save time as much as I can, so I put the potato and carrot in the microwave for 3 minutes to pre-cook. I use plastic wrap to cover, and it is BPA-free wrap. Heat oil in a large pot over medium heat. Begin by sauteing garlic, then add the meat and onions to the pot. Add half-cooked carrots and potatoes to the pot and cook with butter for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in the hot water and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer until the vegetables are tender, about 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and break the curry. Block into smaller pieces and add it to the pot. Stir well until the curry blocks are completely dissolved. Turn on the heat. Continue to simmer for another 5 minutes. Make sure you stir sometimes so it doesn't get burned bottom. Here I'm sharing my secret ingredients. The first one is soy sauce. I always add a little bit of soy sauce to my curry. It will add the umami flavor. Japanese Worcestershire sauce. Japanese Worcestershire sauce is sweeter and less tangy. It's fruity with a strong umami taste. If you have kids or prefer milder flavors, try adding some apple puree. This is my favorite, especially dark chocolate. It adds richness and a hint of bitterness, perfect for an adult-style curry. That's it. The delicious curry is ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next video.